Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of Falcon 9. Go Eutelsat, go Falcon. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of Starlink 645. 1. Ignition. 4, and liftoff of Falcon 9. Go Eutelsat, go Falcon. And liftoff of Starlink 645. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Chamber pressure is nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds and counting, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Launch Complex 39A, carrying the Eutelsat 36D payload to orbit. Now, during the rocket's ascent, we will be tilting the engines, the technical term for that being gimbling, and that'll turn the rocket horizontally in what we call a gravity turn. The vehicle will still be going up, but now will also be headed horizontally away from the launch pad. We've also throttled down the engines in preparation.
Supersonic.
In preparation for max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure, and this is when the vehicle experiences the greatest amount of aerodynamic stress as it ascends through the Earth's atmosphere.
Max Q.
Max Q.
And there's that call out for max Q. Now, the rocket typically needs to go 17,500 miles per hour horizontally in order to avoid being pulled back down to Earth and get into orbit. So keep an eye on the Stage 1 telemetry, which is located at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Coming up in just under a minute from now, we're going to have 3 events in quick succession, starting with MECO, or main engine cutoff, followed by stage separation, and then second engine start 1. MECO is where we shut down all 9 Merlin 1D engines on the first stage. This then gets followed by stage separation, which is when the first and second stages of Falcon separate from one another. And that'll be followed by second engine start 1, or SES1, where we light the MVAC engine on the second stage. So keep an eye out for all of these events, which are going to happen in rapid succession in about 25 seconds from now.
Main engine cutoff.
MECO.
Stage separation.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC ignition.
Stage ignition.
And there you heard and probably saw each of those.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
Coming up in just about 10 seconds, we should hear
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And there's that
Stage one
confirmation
objective
of the Stage 1 entry burn on our Falcon 9 first stage.
Stage 1 entry burn shut.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
And there's confirmation of completion of the Stage 1 entry burn for our Falcon 9 booster, which is on the left-hand side of your screen. Now, reusability is key to lowering the cost of spaceflight, which enables more investments in critical
Nominal trajectory.
And there's that call out of nominal trajectory. Reusability is key to lowering the cost of spaceflight, which enables more investments in critical scientific research. And the Falcon 9 first stage that is supporting today's mission performed this entry burn for its 12th time. The Merlins on the first stage are optimized for sea level, and these achieve 190,000 pounds of thrust each during ascent and descent. And at liftoff, Falcon 9's first stage has thrust greater than 5 747 airplanes at full power. Now on the second stage, the one MVAC engine with a much wider nozzle is optimized to 220,500.
Stage internal headings.
Good call out there. The MVAC engine,
Stage 1 transonic.
and there's a call out that stage 1 is transonic. Coming up in just about 20 seconds, we should hear confirmation of landing burn for the Falcon 9 first stage.
Stage 2 at the SSA.
Stage 2's in terminal guidance. Stage 1 landing burn.
Camera shutdown. Stage 1 landing burn.
And then we heard 2 callouts for MVAC shutdown and landing burn start on our Falcon 9 first stage.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
Nominal parking orbit.
Landing leg deploy.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And there we had amazing views of our Falcon 9 first
Stage
stage
1 landing confirmed.
as it landed on our drone ship. Just read the instructions in the Atlantic Ocean.